Hi, this is Zack Gerber, and this is my bike check. Currently, I'm riding a Haro SD frame, 20.8 top tube. It's the acid wash color. I also have a pair of Haro skeleton forks up front. My handlebars are some prototype alienation bars called the New York bars. They're super tall. My stem is a profile acoustic stem. The grips I'm running right now, I have ODI long neck grips. My seat is a Shadow. I got an Alienation seat post on. My cranks right here are Redline device cranks with a Odyssey, of course, plastic PCs, Shadow chain, and I got an Eclat 28 tooth sprocket on there. My front wheel is Alienation delinquent rim, laced to Paul Radosevich proper front hub with a Reuben tire on the front, real big. I don't know what size it is. I got two front pegs on now. One's a Shadow, the other one's a kink. They're both steel, because if it ain't steel, it ain't real. In the back, I'm running a Profile Mini laced to a Alienation delinquent with an Animal ASM on the back. Nope, no titanium, and a Shadow peg in the back.
As I lie in the crowd of darkness, oh yeah, the wings of light remove the veil. It's heavy, 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 heavy.
It may not be no blammo, but it's a pretty sweet Haro.